Puri's Kitchen, Living and Gardening. Today is a very busy day and I want to prepare a lunch within 30 minutes. So today I'm cooking instant idli with kara chutney. This is a South Indian spicy chutney, a dip, which is mostly eaten with dosas, idlis, appams. So without wasting any time, we are starting right now. So here I have 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, few garlic cloves I will be using, an inch of ginger and 2-3 more items. So let's start. Heat a pan. So as the pan is heating up, let's quickly chop 1 onion and 2 tomatoes. In the pan goes around 1 tablespoon of oil. I am using sunflower oil. And here I have around 2 tablespoons of chana dal, which is Bengal Gram lentil. Now we have to roast this chana dal for around 4 to 5 minutes, taking care not to burn these lentils. Okay. And here I have a skinned split black gram, which is called Urad dal in Hindi. Do the same thing. Roast these lentils for around 5 minutes. The next ingredient in this recipe is dry red chilli. These chilies offer a good hue as well as a strong natural flavor to the chutney. Adding characteristic to the kara chutney are a few cloves of garlic and an inch-sized piece of ginger. Let's add chopped onion and tomatoes. Besides the rich color this kara chutney has, it has the typical tangy flavor which comes from the tomatoes. I love it every time. Once this mixture is cooked well, I have to grind this to a smooth paste. So the cooking took around 5 to 6 minutes so that tomatoes, onions, all the things are tender. So I am covering this for around 2 minutes. Adding in around 1.5 cup of water so that all the things blend in very well. 2 teaspoons of salt, I prefer rock salt. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper powder, it's optional, half teaspoon. Let's take a look how beautiful this chutney has come out. Many people add around 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp to this chutney. I avoid that. Now the tempering. Here goes mustard seeds, around 1 teaspoon. These are black mustard seeds. Let these splutter. Adding curry leaves. The Kara chutney is ready to serve with idlis, dosas, appams or even rice, biryani. This chutney you can store in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 days.